Hello, hello. Okay, we have your lower body workout. So we're going to do something called supersets. So that's where you're just working the same muscle group back to back with no rest. So what I would do is I would get your stopwatch out and I would just set it at 0. You're going to do one exercise for 30 seconds. You're going to go right into the second one until 1 minute. Okay, and then you have just a minimal rest and then you repeat it again. Okay, so normally when you're not doing unilateral, when you're not doing like one leg at a time, you're doing 3 rounds. When you're doing unilateral, you'll do 4 rounds, 2 on each leg. Okay, so hold on one second. Change my. Okay, so you are going to start with, let's try this again. There we go. 80-20 squats. So we're going to start with our right heel popped. Weight is in our right hand, and we're squatting up and down. So 80% of the weight is on my front leg, 20% is on the back leg. You're going to step right into reverse lunges. Okay? So right here. Still holding the weight. Okay? When you get a little rest, you'll repeat the same thing on that same leg, then you'll switch it around. Weight switches to the other hand, and then you're stepping it back into a lunge. Okay? That's the first set. And then you're gonna get a dumbbell put right on your hips. Excuse you. You're gonna go right into bridges. And then you're gonna go right into a bridge hold with a clamshell. So those knees just open in and out. So working the outer hips, outer thighs. So you're just doing 3 sets of those. Okay, and then you're gonna get a pillow, or if you, I think you have one of those Pilates balls, I think you do. You're gonna get a band, wrap it around your legs. So we have squat, lift, squat, lift. You're gonna grab that ball, put it right in there. You have a squat hold, and you're just gonna squeeze that pillow. So we're getting inner thighs, okay? Just take the ball out, and you go right into your squat, leg lift, okay? So again, 3 sets of that. And then this last set is core. So you're gonna do seated crossbody crunches. So you're right here. So kind of similar to what we did today with the crab reach, but legs and arms are straight. So you're getting quads, hip flexors, core. You're gonna do 2 sets, or so then you'll go right into scissor kicks. Try to show you a little more of a, so then you're just right here, open, close, open, close. And then you'll do same leg, okay, and then you'll do 2 on this leg, okay? And then your finisher, we're gonna go back to that Sally, okay? You're just gonna set your timer for 1 minute. You're gonna do bring Sally up, bring Sally down. Here's your hold, okay? When that timer goes off, start the timer over. You'll do lunges, left leg. Bring Sally up, bring Sally down and hold, bring Sally up, okay? Start the song over, do lunge on the right leg. Bring Sally up, bring Sally down and hold, okay? So there's your little finisher.